Syncing Trello with Google Calendar allows you to view your Trello due dates and deadlines directly within Google Calendar, providing a clear overview of your schedule. Here's how to set it up. Open your Trello board, log into your Trello account and navigate to the board you want to sync with Google Calendar. Enable the Calendar power-up. On the Trello dashboard, click Show menu on the right side, then select Power-ups. Search for the Calendar power-up and click Add to enable it for your board. Open the Calendar view. After the Calendar power-up is enabled, click on the Calendar option in the menu to open the Calendar view. This will show the due dates of all cards on your board in the calendar format. Copy the iCalendar feed link. In the Calendar view, click on the gear icon and select Enable Sync or iCalendar feed. This will generate a unique iCalendar link for your board. Add to Google Calendar. Open Google Calendar in your browser. On the left sidebar, click the plus next to Other Calendars and select From URL. Paste the iCalendar feed link from Trello and click Add Calendar.